Okay, we're in somewhere called University area of Detroit, and again, some really beautiful homes. Yeah, it's amazing. Kind of big and nice. And we're not too far from, I think 7 miles, not too far away. Neighborhood watch, it says. There's all kinds of beautiful homes everywhere. It's really, really nice. Okay, so we're gonna stroll through here and check it out a little bit. Okay, I'll put the camera on that side just so you can kind of capture some of the beauty of these homes. They're nice. So yeah, Detroit has some really beautiful brick homes everywhere. It's really amazing. So let me kind of drive into this area a little bit. Yeah, real nice neighborhood. Wow, beautiful. It's gonna just meander around a little bit. I don't really have a specific goal in here, but I do want to capture this thing called, yeah, University area. There's another one nearby too that's that I should go to called Sherwood Forest. See, I'm kind of trying to get my camera set up so I can find it properly. So Sherwood Forest is I think it's going to be straight ahead. I think I'm going to combine the two, Sherwood Forest and this University area it's called. 1 second here. Okay, so we're continuing on Sherwood Forest. I put in my Google Maps, so I'm going to go towards it. And so yeah, this is called University area, and it's not too far from Sherwood Forest, which is about not even a mile away. So we're just gonna maybe combine both of them a little bit and kind of show you what they look like. Yeah, I didn't expect it. I just wasn't really sure what to expect actually. And I came in here and it's like, wow, these homes are nice. Speed bumps everywhere in here. Bump, bump. Okay. So I am going to navigate towards Sherwood Forest. Okay, so this is a 7 mile road. Looks like I'm going to be taking the next street up, which is called Berkeley, which I think is going to be this blinking light, and then that goes right into Sherwood Forest. Here it is right here. Sherwood Forest, a patrolled community, a historic district, it says right there. Okay, so we're going to be going into it right now. And basically all I'm doing on the map is just going straight up this street. So this is all Sherwood Forest. Some nice homes in here. Just gonna go all the way through here. just easier if I just put the camera right on this windowsill, but it's going into the sun. So all this is Sherwood Forest in here. So a little bit of Sherwood Forest and University area. So police in here. So it looks like it's kind of well policed as well. Some really beautiful homes. Some pretty impressive, real nice. Huge. The real catch is, how do I get out of here? Now we're on Chippewa Street. But I'm just gonna stroll around, just kind of give you a little idea. So yeah, we're all in Detroit city limits, and we're just kind of seeing what it looks like in here a little bit. I love all the brick homes too. Camera foggy or something? Let's see. So, okay, I'm going to come to an end in a moment. I'm just a little view of it. I think what we're coming up soon is 8 Mile. So I think we got kind of a busy street coming up there. I think that's going to be 8 Mile. So I guess all these all of these is kind of okay, so we're coming up on 8 Mile. So this is basically 8 Mile Road right here. Huh. So 8 Mile kind of goes right into that, and so it looks like you can hop on this highway and move along kind of quickly. So that was Sherwood, right on 8 Mile. Then on the other side is Ferndale. So now I kind of see how those connect. I didn't really see it before. And once we get a little bit of space on this road, we're gonna go down like this. And we're gonna go into the Ferndale side. So I'm just going to do that next. So you kind of see the context of how everything fits together. And then over on this side is Ferndale. And it's going to take a random street into Ferndale. And this is the suburb over here. This is I don't know what to expect yet, so I guess this looks like this. Ferndale is actually, oh, there's some kind of cool homes in here. Ferndale is a suburb, just on the other side, and I think it's known as kind of a gay community, and it looks like it kind of represents that right away as soon as you cross that major road right there of 8 Mile. And you can see it in the flags as well, so see how that transitioned right into Detroit. It's a lot of interesting neighborhoods. And I guess with that note, I guess we're just gonna end it, and we'll just kind of go through some of these homes right here, or it could even continue on a little bit to the main street of Ferndale, which is what I might do. Yeah, I didn't really know what was on the other side of Ferndale, on the Detroit side, and now I know it's all those nice homes of like Sherwood Forest and University area and such. Kind of familiar with Detroit to some extent, but then kind of learning, you know, how things kind of go together a little bit. So I didn't really know how those two came together exactly, the Detroit side and the Ferndale side. So I'm kind of guessing if you were on that Sherwood side, you might actually come over here because there's a nice commercial district over here. And here it is here. The businesses and such. So anyways, there you go. Actually, all I kind of want to do right now is just kind of show you Woodward, because Woodward is kind of the main street that goes through Detroit all the way to what our goal was today. So I'm just going to take a left here, give you a little context of Woodward. Case high. So now we're just basically on a northbound road going through Ferndale. So you got the commercial district here. So, alright, hope you enjoyed a little bit more of seeing Detroit. For now. Yeah, it seems live to you on the Detroit side. Okay.